I'm sure you've heard the news. It's time to take control of your energy. Let's talk about the Edison generator, folks. This isn't just any DIY project. This is your ticket to energy independence. Imagine this. A power outage hits, but you're still rocking your home with lights, heat, and all your essentials. How? With the Edison generator. It's simple, affordable, and trust me, you don't need to be an engineer to build it. This generator kit comes with step-by-step instructions that are as easy as pie. And the best part? You'll learn something new about alternative energy while you're at it. It's like turning lemons into lemonade, folks. Are you a prepper? Or just someone who wants to save a few bucks on those sky-high electric bills? This generator's got you covered. Plus, you'll gain the satisfaction of knowing you built it with your own two hands. Join our community of builders and energy enthusiasts. Share your experiences, swap tips, and empower yourself with knowledge and practical skills. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and grab your kit today. Power your life on your terms. Be ready for anything. Let's make energy independence happen.